Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean these brushes that have been sitting on my desk for the past 3 weeks. I'm lying, it's been like a month. And I'm just basically going to be showing you how I really get all the gunk and concealer and foundation out of my makeup brushes. And to me, this is something that is really important to me as far as keeping my brushes clean, because I truly believe that all these brushes, after you're done using them with your makeup, they harbor bacteria and they can make you break out. And especially as a makeup artist too, it's something that's very, I cannot stand the look of dirty brushes. I don't know why I'm so OCD about it, but I'm not gonna lie, ever since I've been doing makeup, and whether if it's on me, whether if it's on a client or whoever, I just cleaning my makeup brushes is severely important. You can always do a quick clean in between clients and stuff like that, but it's really important for you to make sure that you're actually deep cleaning your brushes with soap and water. Alcohol can help kill a certain amount of bacteria in your brushes, but you really have to make sure you go in at least by the end of the day and really deep clean your brushes. And that's why I have so many brushes, because sometimes I just don't feel like cleaning. And it's not even all of it, but whatever. So enough of me yapping. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my brushes. So here I have 2 containers, right? I have one tin that has my clean brushes. This has been cleaned and sanitized with alcohol. And this is my dirty brushes. Obviously that's what they're sitting in. But so when I'm done cleaning them in the sink with water and soap and all that stuff, I put all my clean brushes in here. And to me, it's important for me to put them in a clean container, because I don't want any type of cross contamination from this tin which has all the dirty brushes, the old makeup and all that stuff. So when I'm done with like I said, when I'm done cleaning, I put them right in the clean brush tin. So to clean my brushes, I use this cleaning mat that I found from I think it was from Five Below. So basically what you do is you put it in the sink, and these suction cups basically make sure that when you put this in the sink, it stays, so it doesn't slip and slide everywhere. And each different section kind of depending if you have a small or big brush, helps really get in between the bristles. You can find these honestly anywhere. You can find these at Five Below. You can find these at, I believe, Ulta. They have different types of one, not the exact one, but yeah. So I basically use this to help get all that gunk, especially I the concealer brushes that have all that dried up concealer and all that stuff. This really helps. And typically I use black soap, from Shea Moisture, or Shea Moisture, but I actually ran out, so this is all I have right now. This is the Castle soap, and this is a good alternative as well. If you buy the big bottle, it lasts you a long time. I think I had this for almost a year. But yeah, I use either the black soap or I use Dawn dish soap. That really helps take out all the stuff from your brushes, all the gunk and nasty stuff. Can't say nasty, basically it takes out all like the concealer and dried up foundation and eyeshadow like very easily. But this is a good alternative, but I do prefer to use the black soap more over this. So let's head to the bathroom and I'll quickly show you guys how I wash my brushes. I hate doing this because you're just standing up and it takes mad long, but we gotta do it because we're clean over here, and that's what clean people do. Don't mind the stuff on the bottle, that's probably from old makeup, but yeah. Hey guys, voiceover Amani here. I'm just showing you guys how I sanitize my brushes after washing them in the sink. So I lay them down side by side and I lightly spray a little bit of 70% alcohol, and then I take either a wipe or a paper towel and wipe down the handles of my brushes, just because when you're washing, well, when I'm washing my brushes in the sink, I don't really get to wash like the handles or like really like take care of the handles of the brush, because I have like immediate fear of like messing up my brushes in the sink or in water, because some brushes, like when you put them in the water to soak, or or water gets in the handles, it damages the brushes. So this is what I find to be easier for me. I highly recommend for you to not leave your brushes soaking in water or anything like that, because the handle will start to like break apart, and it just looks, it's not fun, and then it starts chipping. And I'm telling you, especially like if you have any Morphe brushes or any like brushes like with like a wooden handle, or those handles will start to chip. So this is what I use, and please make sure like you lay them out to like dry, like on a towel, or like a towel you don't care about, or like on paper towels. I would say I have a makeup towel that I use every time that I wash my brushes. I lay them on it, and then after I'm done with it, I throw it in the washing machine, just because I just feel like it saves the use of like using so many paper towels. But yeah guys, this is pretty much it. This is I didn't show you every single brush because I feel like you kind of got the idea, but just really make sure that you're taking the proper care with your brushes, because you already invested in spending money on them. Just try your best to take care of them. I know it's annoying, because who really wants to wash their brushes? And honestly, like a lot of people don't wash their brushes like that, but I'm letting you know this is your sign to make sure you get up and go and wash those brushes, girl. Like I know I see them sitting on your vanity. Like your future self will definitely thank you for it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what products you use to wash your brushes, and or if you have any alternative soaps that you use to help clean your brushes. Alright guys, see you guys in the next one. Deuces.